This video shows a traffic stop on a Virginia highway. The people in the car say they were driving at the speed limit when a state trooper pulled them over for driving too fast. A short time later, after they continued driving, another trooper stopped them again. This time, they were told they were driving too slow. The people in the car were confused because they believed they were following the traffic laws. They asked to speak with a supervisor to understand why they were stopped twice for opposite reasons. The video records the conversation with the officers and shows the events as they happened, allowing viewers to see the situation and form their own opinion.
We're going at this speed. That's what, 60 miles an hour. This is where we're going at the 60 miles an hour. He came and he said that we were going at 80 miles an hour on the right hand side. Go literally at 60. This is the kind of cops that we have to deal with. Go at the speed. Just go at the speed limit. Take it easy. Take it easy, please, Luis. Wait, he pulled us over again?
Yes.
Gonna be trooper standing over Virginia State Police. This conversation be out there because there's one for the safety of man, alright? Speed limit is gonna be 65 miles per hour. You're just doing 55. Let me see the driver license and
You got it again.
the registration. Okay?
Yes.
Are you serious? He's pulling. Why are you pulling him over?
For driving too slow.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay.
Oh my God, are you serious? Damn, just stay in the car. Just stay in the car. Let him do what he's gonna do. 2 tickets, 1 for speeding.
Okay,
and
you
now
got
one
it there?
Yeah.
How much is that?
You were going 60.
Okay, 60.
I've been recording you. You're going like 60. Now he says you're going too slow and he pulled you over because you're going too slow. Wow, he's funny.
He left already. Everybody left on that part.
I mean, we're gonna go to court.
No, but he left. These people left. Yeah, he left.
So you got 3 state troopers. 3 state
That's
troopers, and then they're like now it's for like not speeding, right? What did he say for not speeding?
It's for not speeding. And the whole 3 is laughing everything there. And he's talking about crap there. Go like this.
Yes, can we help
make
you?
sure everybody okay?
Yeah, we're all
yeah,
good.
You're the best. Thank you very much.
I just came.
Does
Yeah, I
he
see you. I see you
have
laughing
a
too.
supervisor?
I'm sorry?
Does he have a supervisor?
Yeah, we all.
Can we call him in?
No, you cannot.
We cannot call the supervisor.
You can't call.
Can
No,
you call?
you call
You
it
can
right
call
now.
for us. You're a public servant.
Why you not call
You
the
can call the
supervisor right now?
supervisor we
Why do you
request.
need a supervisor?
We're
I need
requesting
a
a supervisor.
supervisor.
Okay,
Thank
you
you.
guys are talking over each other. Okay.
Okay, we need.
I just came here.
Yeah, we need and requesting a supervisor.
Why do you need a supervisor?
We need to talk to him
Why do you need
for
to
the situation that we're going through
Yes.
right now.
Understood.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you right now.
Yeah.
The situation that you guys are currently in, we're not gonna call a supervisor.
All right.
Okay, and what's your name?
Triple Arca.
What's the
Triple
ID
R.
number,
Okay.
sir?
Oh, he's gonna give it to you. He's
No,
gonna
No,
come to
you.
Me?
Yes.
It's 506.
Okay. All right. And
I
you
just
said you
wanted to-
won't call the supervisor.
You
all
Right,
right?
gotta
because
call it. He's saying-
You haven't given me a reason.
I did for
What
the
is
reason that we're getting pulled over.
And I told you the trooper is gonna come to you. And
No,
talk to
but
you.
I'm asking you if you can call the supervisor. You say
I
you
cannot
you
call.
cannot call
I
him
cannot call.
because
But you laugh at when you go over there, right?
No,
you,
I did not.
Yes, I recorded. Why you lie? Everything's recorded.
Sir, I cannot.
You know you guys
I
think
don't
you
lie.
Okay, it's all-
I'm
yeah,
here
you
to
don't
check up
lie.
on you guys. That's
okay,
it.
yeah, we're good.
Okay,
We're good.
All right. I just wanted.
And
to
even
make
if
sure
we weren't, I try to ask for a supervisor, but you didn't want to call us.
I said recorded big because he's everything again.
So there's 3 troopers. One of them
He
said that he
laughing
couldn't,
and-
and then the other one said he could.
He say I got slow.
Now you're just pulling out because he just pulled you over,
Yes.
and then now you're going to slow and less than a minute he pulls you over again. That's
That's crazy.
This is the kind of people they have working for the Virginia state. And what's his name?
When is it supposed to be closed?
November 14th.
Okay. Next month, right?
Yeah, no, 2 months. He was nowhere. Don't say nothing else to him. Just request a supervisor.
Here you go, sir. All right. Today you're gonna be receiving a ticket for driving too slow.
Is he?
65 miles per hour, not 55. All right.
Okay.
People are paying to be in these lanes. Here's your driver.
Is he calling the supervisor for
You got the
us?
supervisors coming
All
back?
right.
Is he calling the
Court
supervisor?
date is going
The
to be
supervisor's
December
coming now?
5th.
That's okay.
December 5th.
No,
what I
it's
did
okay.
For you, what I did for you, sir, is circle the dispatch number. Circle
It's
that.
okay. Don't worry
We're
about it.
asking
What I
for a
have to do.
supervisor.
I'm waiting for the
From that?
supervisor.
Okay.
I waited for
You
the
waited.
supervisor.
Okay. But
All
at
right.
the end of the day, right?
I waited for the supervisor. Don't give it the thing over there. Don't worry about it. What's going on? Okay, don't worry about it. I waited for the supervisor.
Wait, so you don't get out. Stay here. No, stay here. Quédate. Is the supervisor coming? Sir, did you call the supervisor? Yeah.
I contacted them, but waiting for them to contact me back.
Okay.
You can't wait here. Your car's not broken down, okay?
But we're so back to back. It's ridiculous. One, he said we were going too fast when we were going on the right hand side. We had cars in front of us. We were going at the speed limit. He said you were going too fast.
Yes.
And then we're pulling out. You're going at 60 because you just pulled out. And then he said you're going too slow. So you're supposed to just go into the right lane and go fast.
At the end of the day, traffic stops should be fair, clear, and consistent. Being stopped twice in a short time for opposite reasons can leave anyone feeling confused and frustrated. Moments like this remind us why accountability, respect, and open communication are important during every interaction between law enforcement and the public. After watching this video, viewers can decide for themselves whether the situation was handled fairly. Leave a comment down below and let us know what you think about this situation.